It's Pristine. We're going to get Pristine. Good luck, everybody. This product was great this year. A nice upgrade from last year. I liked last year's, but I thought I liked last year's until I saw this year's. This year's is just better. I thought I liked last year's Pristine until I saw this year's. This is the second half of the case. I have absolutely no idea what came out of the first half. But I know we're going to hit some bangers for you guys here in the second half. PYT 104, best of luck to all of our fine Blez Familia Mishpucha participants. The next break may be the Sapphire full case. I hit you guys with the link for it not long ago. I believe BK did a little bit of attacking. The way that I open Pristine, I'm not sure if I open it the same as everybody else, but I kind of like, we do all these things second. We go one section at a time. We go the outer, the inner, and then the inner. I'm telling you right now, I am seeing, this is looking like a really cool case for vets. So far, all I'm seeing is sick vets. Sick vets. I don't see him yet. I told him he could show up late April because he was on until 3 in the morning yesterday. What was the question about the 20? Do we have any, you mean? Do we have any 22 update? I'm so confused. We got some cool stuff here. Now, there I just saw a couple youngsters. We went from vets in the first half of this in case to the youngsters in the second half. Are we doing any 22 update? Yeah, 22 update? You said 22 update? Like the one with the Bobby Witt rookie? The Julio rookie? That 22 update? Oh yeah, no, the light's on. He's here. Yeah, he's here. The light's on. Pop will be on in a minute. I'm confused, Tyson, because we did like a gazillion cases of that product, I think. We had like a bounty on it and everything, bro. If I'm thinking about the same product that you're talking about now. All right, Matty O. What is that? Wow, pink. Wow. Good first pack, dude. Matty O on the refractor, but Lawrence Butler for Stila to 15 on the pink Pristine. Good first pack. We're just going to do it how we do it. Well, whatever. Have you never, if you've never done Pristine before, you'll understand. Okay. Guardians, Mr. Bender. Mr. Bender is going to get a J-Ram to 25 on the orange auto. No, I'm just confused, Tyson. You're asking me about a 2022 product, right? Like, am I missing something here? Or are you asking about the 2024 update? Which one are we talking about? I think I'm confused. I think I'm the confused one. Let's make sure something. There is a 20. It's Topps Chrome Jumbo, right? 2022 Topps Chrome Jumbo. That's on my screen. Look. Is that what you're talking about? It's on the second window. Is that what you're asking about? Yeah, they're probably like kind of cleaning out inventory as they randomly find things in the Blez factory. That makes sense. I'm sorry that I didn't understand exactly what you were asking me. I apologize. Nice J-Ram auto to 25 for Mr. Bender on the Pristine Pieces patch auto. Yeah, Witt and Julio are in update. I got very confused with your question. I apologize. Shohei Ohtani to 75 on the color match for the champs. The champs are here. CMB. Lady in red is dancing with me, cheek to cheek. There we go, Steela. Yes. Yeah, I don't remember who's in the 2022. I really don't. Story and then Steele. Not blue Steele, but green Steele. Justin Steele. All-star piece for the Cubbies. Cubbies are hot today. Take them in available breaks. They seem like they're just going to hit all night. Really, MGH? I didn't do that. Acuna Jr. And then Cal Ripken Jr. for Dorian. Last in the print to 99. He said, oh, the vets, that's not good for me. No, I'm kidding. I didn't see that bet. Is the thumbnail the wrong thing? No, that's a different one. That auto is I think that's real. I think his auto is in there. No, maybe not. No? I don't know. Now I'm losing it. Let me just ask Erie. Adley Refractor. Semyon to 99 on the purple piece. Forget Paris Refractor, and then Schwarber on the green to 150. Damn, Erie. Erie didn't answer. That hurt. His auto is in there? Ah. That's right, but his auto was still in there, right? I thought he was a redemption. Is that why I don't recognize that picture, Brandon? Was he a redemption in the 22 Topps Chrome Jumbo and Hobby? He was, right? Wasn't he a redemption? Young on the refractor, and then Torque to 75 blue. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. for the Diamondbacks, and then Canario on the rookie green to 150. Ozzy Albies on the refractor and a pink. Our second one of the outside insides. Alonso for the Mets going to MJ. I don't know if he'll be a Met for long, unfortunately, and I'm a Mets fan, so I hope he is, but it doesn't feel like it. It hasn't felt like it. As a Mets fan, it hasn't felt like that Cohen wants to retain him. Bo Bichette on the refractor, and then this guy for the Yankees. Court is in session. Aaron Judge to 150. He doesn't want to get into the top loader, but we're going to make him. The Yankees for Kramer to 150. Probably JR. I mean, I don't drink, but I'm always drunk, if you know what I mean. Altuve to 99.16 of 99. Nice looking patch auto for Houston. Going to Germs. My favorite number out of 19. A pristine piece, if you will. We've pulled good cards for everybody out of every product, Logan. We open a lot of stuff, man. Bobby Witt's only in the high number short prints in the silver packs. But we do have the silver packs. And I believe they come with our break, right? JR, he wasn't in there, right? Brooks Robinson refractor. Andy for the Pirates to 150. The Royals? Craig Kimbrell on the refractor. Matty Chapman purple. The Royals are $7? Are you serious right now? Then obviously he's not in there. But they do have the silver packs. You can... Oh. I was going to say, the Royals are not $9. With Bobby Witt. I was like, that's crazy. Slade on the refractor and then Hanley Ramirez in the purple. If the Royals were $7 and they could hit Bobby Witt in silver packs, I would definitely buy them. Jimenez for the Guards. I'm out of sleeps. Where I wanna be, I hardly know. Andres, the former Met, current Guardian. To 25 there from Mr. Bender. Bison. Patch auto of Mr. Yainer Diaz. Astros again. Getting some love. Mookie on the refractor all-star piece for the Dodgers. And then Cody B. Make-A-Wish. 111 to 150 on the green for the Cubs. Yeah, I vaguely remember that. It's been a minute, Brandon. That was like one of the first products that I opened at all on this channel when I got here, when I joined the Blez Baseball Familia. McRae, he probably already had a few homes, but yeah. Westberg Refractor, Walker Bueller on the gold for the champs. McRae is the man. Anybody that was in those breaks did well, and we're happy for them. We got Bregman here. The Stros are just feasting. Germs, how you doing? Popular demand. Backed by popular demand. It is Bregman for Houston. But I don't like that. All right, you know what? Actually, you're fine. Bregman there. The whole Astros lineup is right. This feels heavy. Another patch auto? No. No. It's Ernie on the refractor, and then McClanahan on the green to 150 for the Rays going to Higgs. Ozzy Albies refractor and Arenado All-Star for the Cardinals to 150. Murphy refractor for the Braves, and Swanson, Mr. Gold Glove on the color match for the Cubs. Samsonite, I was way off. Sean. How's your weekend going, Mr. Agnew? There's Will Smith refractor and Freddie Freeman refractor. They literally just gave us a double refractor box or pack. There must be something crazy on the inside there. Cray cray. Second. No way. Good luck, Sean. I've been playing a lot of poker the last few days. I'm doing okay, actually. I lost an absolute truckload before that, but I'm doing okay now. I think I won 27,000. I won 10,000, and then I won 4,000 the last 3 times I played. So we're up 41,000 last 3 sessions, which is good. We'll take it. We need it. We lost 110 straight before that, so. I don't think we have any more, Nathan. I'll try, though. I don't think we have any more. I'll double check. All right, inside of the inside. It's a dream inside a dream inside a dream. Packception, if you will. Let's see what we got. Good luck, everybody. You playing No Limit or PLO, Sean? I'm guessing No Limit. I play mostly mixed game stuff. Frozen Rope of Ronnie Mauricio. Yeah, if you haven't, don't start. It's dangerous. So many more variables. You got to play tighter. Corey Seager. Oh, snap. A race on the insert there. I'm not sure he does, Tyson. The checklist shows that he only has it for the silver packs. That SP is a silver pack hit. Because they messed up and they didn't put them in the actual product. So they sent everybody that bought the product silver packs. That's why we have the silver packs. I can see them right over there. So when we do that product, we add the silver packs so that WIT becomes possible to hit. There's a few other guys. There's like 4 other guys that also weren't included in the product properly. Arenado, that's squeaky clean to 75. I think what I'm saying is right, but you guys can confirm or deny. It was the first product that I opened when I joined the baseball room at the Blaze. Lou Bob. I don't give a shit about that, Bard. My wife isn't even in town right now. Rafaela. Carter on the O-Snap. That message, that was the wrong room, Bard? You sent that to the wrong person? Did you mean to send that to the secretary to to what to the girlfriend? Was that a misclick, Bard? Was that supposed to go to Logan O'Hoppy's girlfriend? Wow, Sean, that's sick. That was fun. I'll give you guys the football plays again if you missed out on them earlier. But after the Pristine break. It was, right, Bart? I knew it. She's a cutie. Goldie, the Cardinals get the next hit too. Arenado to 75 and now Goldie to 25. Both inserts, both different inserts. Both St. Louis Cardinals. Card Guy, 11 of 25. Gets the Goldie, the orange Goldie. I mean, that's the Yankees' fault, Agnew. That it was anticlimactic. That was their fault. They blew it. That fifth inning was just... It is a Northern Light of Adley for Dorian. I really like the Northern Lights. I think they're beautiful cards. Adolis. Squeaky clean, squeaky clean. What makes you think that Panini's getting that license, though? There's another Northern Light. Nice. Julio. For Josh and the Mariners. What makes you think they're getting that license? Trout, frozen rope. I like Tier 1. I'm glad they're bringing triple threads back. Bobby Witt on the frozen rope. Dude. The Cardinals just get it all. That is really hard to hit. A red Northern Light for St. Louis of the Jaywalker, which, by the way, they just made it officially legal to jaywalk in New York. 5 of 5. Jordan Walker, red Northern Light. That is a really, really hard hit, bro. That is a really hard hit. This product straight up just read my mind. I was thinking to myself before, when I hit this Julio and Adley Northern Light, I was like thinking, can you hit it to 10 or 5? I think you can. Can't remember. I didn't say that out loud, though, and then sure enough, whoop, there he is. Just wipe off that chrome dust. Nice hit, Card Guy. That's crazy hard to hit, dude. Really, really hard. Agnew, I would say... Phillies in 2024 Bowman Jumbo. Take the Phillies, and if they're still there, take the Phillies in 2024 Bowman Jumbo. I don't really have a second recommendation because the Reds are like a hard hit. So I wasn't going to say the Reds. Yeah, they're there. Hold on, Sean. Hold on. They're $199. Hold on. I can take them out for you. Go ahead. Send $199, Sean. I took them out for you. I can't believe we just hit that red Northern Light. That's such a tough hit. Holy crap, that's a hard hit. Wow. J-Dom on the insert. That's such a hard hit. I'm trying to think of the last time I hit like a numbered Northern White. That might be like the second one I've like ever hit. I think I hit a black one to 10, but I could be wrong. I'm not gonna do any guesses for this. I promise I'll do guesses. I promise I'll do guesses. I love you guys. I apologize that I have a weird pet peeve. When you guys ask me to do guesses, it pushes me away. But if you don't ask, Nathan, I swear I'll do guesses. I promise. I'm sorry. I'm not trying to be a dick. I apologize. I can't help it. But here's a red card for you. Arizona. Sponger. Slade, I can't pronounce his last name. Chichony, Cicini, I don't really know. Ciccone, I don't really know. I mean, I've tried it 8,000 times. I literally have no idea how to pronounce his name. You guys have told me how to pronounce his name. I still mess it up. Slade to 5. Red. Arizona. No, I know, Nathan. I apologize. It's just me being a dick. I admit it. It's me, not, it's like that scene in the Seinfeld. You know, tell me it's my earrings. No, it's me. It's not you. Salvador Perez to 75 for the Royals on the All-Star piece for Mr. Bender. Okay, fine. It's your earrings. And who calls people by their first and last name? Samuels. Zach Gallen, All-Star piece for the Diamondbacks. Sponger to 99. We will do guesses, though. When there's something worth guessing, I promise I'll give you guys... I'm generous. When there's something worth guessing, I'll give away lots of money and we'll guess it. And then if you guys miss it, it's your own fault. Cowser. Who's going to end up winning Rookie of the Year? Hawk is delusional thinking that it's going to be Merrill. I'm sorry, it's not. It's going to be Skeens. He broke too many records. It's too good for baseball. So it's going to be Skeens. But who's going to win in the AL? Is it going to be this guy? Is it going to be Wells? Is it going to be Luis Heel? I would assume it's going to be this guy, right? Is Cowser going to win Rookie of the Year, Dorian? Dorian would know. He's an Orioles fan. Cowser. Heel or Cowser? I would assume Cowser, but I don't know. Skeens is going to win. Hawk thinks that Merrill's going to win. Or that he could win. Seager for Shirudo to 99 for Texas. All right, now no matter where I go, we hit an autograph. So let's see a good one. Let's see a good one right here. Shota Imanaga on the Pristine autograph for the Cubbies. Nice hit, Mr. Barrett. The Barrett brother with a very good card. Imanaga. I love Imanaga. Big fan. I wish he was a Met. He's a total stud. Imanaga on the Pristine auto for Mr. Barrett. Nice hit. Yeah, right, Breaking Bad. Kyle Harrison to 15 on the yellow. Or, excuse me, I got distracted on the pink. Pink, yellow, same thing. I'm not colorblind, I swear. Rookie for the Giants, just-ish on the kill. I do kind of like Kyle Harrison. He hasn't performed the way that I was hoping and expecting him to, but He's a big strikeout guy. I think he's going to be pretty good. Give him like 2-3 years. When he gets that control like really down pat, he's going to strike a lot of people out and be a killer. Arenado, for the 18th time in this break for St. Louis and the card guy. An all-star piece. 2/3 of the way there. 66 of 99. Coco to 75 for the Rockies. Os Rocks fan. It's a PC piece. 5 of 75. All right, let's just go here. We'll finish out the pile like we're playing. What's that game? What do they call that? Solitaire? Slade. I can't pronounce your last name to 99. A purple auto. Our second auto of the inside. Of the inside. Of the inside. I like this kid. He's really good. He's also very young. Nice breaking. I think it is. He is going to win anyway. Zach Neto. Mr. Woody's going to get a Neto. It's a base auto of Zach, but I really like this kid. He's young. When they called him up, I really thought that they were just like kind of jumping the gun to feel like, you know, like with other Major League Baseball teams, but it was stupid. Like, I thought they called him up too early, but he's really performed. He kills, I believe he kills left-handed pitching, and he can't hit righties. Or what is he? Is he a lefty or a righty? Neto, which one? He kills. Does Neto kills one and can't hit the other one? He kills right-handed pitching? Left-handed? Is he a lefty or a righty? Now I'm blanking out. He kills either left-handed or right-handed pitching, and then he can't hit the other one. Somebody out there does help me out. Help me out. Abreu, Willier. We're tasting the rainbow. The reading rainbow. Pristine, but not autographed tonight. To no number, excuse me. Ah, we like this. We're talking about this guy so much today. Bobby Witt to 50 on the gold. For Kansas City, Mr. Bender. I love the design this year compared to last year's design. It's so much better. Last year looked like air bubbles. This year looks much nicer. I like it. Bobby's going to get some MVPs, Tyson. Don't you worry. Lourdes Gurriel Jr., a purple piece of the All-Star for the Diamondbacks. Sponger with more volume. More cowbell. Oh, that's a cool card right there. Let's go Herbie. Emerson Hancock on the quasi-color match with an autograph to 150 Mariners. Josh on the board late. Green ink. It's kind of a color match. I love this guy. Vladdy Sr. for the Angels. No number for Woody on the Pristine. This guy, you guys I'm sure have seen the news on this gentleman. Garrett Cole. Orange. All-star piece. This will go to the Yankees. Oh, he kills lefties and he can't hit righties. That's what it is? Thank you, Dorian. He kills lefties and he can't hit righties. Zach Neto. He kills lefties and can't hit righties. If he can figure out how to hit righties, he's going to be a monster because he literally, look at those numbers versus lefties. Garrett Cole for the Yankees. Going to Kramer. To 25 on the Orange All-Star. He's not a Yankee no more. Not no more. Semien Gold for Texas with ink. To Fafty going to Cheruto. 4 of 50. On Mr. Underrated Marcus Semien. Gold. Autograph. Reese Olson. Thank you, by the way, Dorian. Reese Olson. Blue to 75. For Detroit, Mr. Moore. For the champs, it is going to be Bobby Miller. A base autograph for the lady in red. Drambam is predicting a curse stat auto. Here, we'll do these two last. Those look fun. We'll do these two next. Here, we'll do two at once. Twice as nice. Michael Harris II on the purple to 99 for the Braves. Going to see Cubs. And then Slade. No number. Diamondbacks. Third time we've seen Slade on the inside, unless I'm forgetting things. And we got a couple fun ones here to close it out. Nomar Garciaparra to 75 for the Rainbow and the Red Sox. Kind of a fun card. Nomar was really good. Just take away that ridiculous, like, you know, like the whole warm up. The warm up was so crazy. Nomar would not survive with the timer. You know what I mean? Today, this day and age, Nomar is not surviving with that shot clock. And then another vet. Orange to 25. Oh, Nomar was amazing. Him, Jeter, Tejada, they were beasts. For the second place Yankees, it's going to be Donnie Baseball going to Kramer. In orange, Don Mattingly. Solid finish on the 1-2 punch, Nomar and Don Mattingly. Very sweet hard hit here. 13 of 25 on Donnie Baseball. I do love how all the encased is on card and stuff like that. It really makes it a lot nicer. Let's do a quick recap of the good times and the bad from this case. I knew you would, Stein, if you were here lurking. I knew you would like it. We have a Northern Light of Adley, a Northern Light of Julio, squeaky clean to 75, Arenado, Goldie to 25, and then a Jordan Walker to 5 on the Northern Light red color match. Really hard hit there. Nice card for St. Louis. Then we had the numbered from the inside. There's a Judge, Cal Ripken, Chapman, Torque, Shohei on the blue, Walker, Buehler, gold, Jimenez, orange, Alonso to 15, yellow, and Lawrence Butler, or excuse me, yellow. I keep saying yellow. Pink to 15 there. Some other autos from the inside now. Bregman back by popular demand. Yainer Diaz also for the Astros on the patch auto there. Altuve to 99 also for the Astros on the patch auto. And then not for the Astros, you are not the father, for the Guardians, Joe Bender to 25 on the J-Ram. And then we had some on the inside. I have never seen it. What's up, Wizard? I've never seen it, Breaking Bad. Slade. Vlad Sr. up for the Angels. Wilyer Abreu. Kowser on the unnumbered, encased on the inside. Harris for the Braves. Gurriel on the All-Star for the Diamondbacks. Arenado All-Star for the Cardinals. Seager for Texas. And Zach Gallen All-Star for Arizona. To 99 purple pieces. To 75, Reese Olson, rookie. Coco, rookie to 75. And Salvi, not a rookie, for KC. More numbered, encased, not autographed. Bobby to 50. Garrett Cole to 25, All-Star for the Yankees. Rookie Kyle Harrison to 15 on the pink, not yellow. Slade, I can't pronounce your last name, red for the Diamondbacks to 5. So 2 reds in this case. Now the autographed inside. Bobby Miller base. Neto base. Shota Imanaga for Cubs fan. Nice redemption there. Hancock to 150. Slade to 99. We've seen a lot of Slade here. Nomar to 75 for the Rainbow on the auto. Semien for Texas to 50. Gold ink. And Don Mattingly for Kramer and the Yankees to 25 to close it out. PYT 104. That was the second half of the case. Next will be a freshie of Pristine 4 boxes from this year. Thank you for joining. That was a break.